Hi, I'm Ellie. I'm a curriculum developer here at Codédex now for about 2 years. Yeah, I started as a curriculum intern. I heard about Codédex through a couple online hackathons. I was reached out to by Sunny and through Twitter, and the rest is history. Day-to-day for me is honestly a lot of research. So I spend a lot of my time looking at existing courses online and also figuring out what the best content is to piece together for some of the courses that we have on Codédex. And then alongside that, I also work on a couple of social things. I do some side quests like podcast hosting on occasion when I'm in New York City. That's a lot of it, but some of it is also just sitting behind the camera and filming YouTube videos. Honestly, I do love the writing part. I feel like it's where I get to be the most creative, in my opinion. And so, yeah, I really love coming up with new content and tutorials and vlogs and everything for the users. And I feel like definitely as a main e-learning platform for a lot of students in particular learning how to code, I think that we are also developing a lot of things in the background that I think can really shine in the next 3 years and can get better, such as our builds feature, and also just with more content and a lot of building things that I think learners are requesting the most. And yeah, that's where I see Codédex. This is so good. No, I don't know. I think I'd be the bot. I used to work at Chick-fil-A, and then everyone would tell me that that was a great job for me because I think it was just so nice and kind. And Chick-fil-A workers, I think historically, are very kind people. So I think I'd tell them, and it's like, that makes sense for you. Enjoyed my time there. I also did a software engineering internship. So that was also one of my random, maybe not as random. I think I miss coding, but I could always just code forward, nothing stopping me from coding. So yeah, I do miss it, but that's always something that I could just take up on my own. Ooh, I think some advice is definitely be prepared for things to be moving extremely fast. And I feel like I know everybody says this, but genuinely it takes a lot of, I think, initiative and like being ready to take initiative just because the environment is so fast-paced. Being the type of person that will kind of speak up and being able to, I think, share ideas is probably one of the main things. And yeah, I'll go a little spin.
Thank you.